Hello, in this Solidity programming tutorial, we are going to cover esoteric functions. And esoteric functions allow you to essentially assign almost like a different name to an existing function. So let's create a function right here. Function, I'm just going to call it maybe, call it whatever you want. And it could take parameters or it could just be simple like mine. So the principle is the same. And this is simply going to return the value 9. Now I need to put a contract a returns uint, call it retval. And now in here we could do maybe like so. Now if I were to create the contract, click get 0 because stored data has not been changed from the initial value of 0. Click set, click get, it changes to 9. Pretty cool stuff, but very simple. So an esoteric method, you can't create an esoteric function in here. You need to actually do it within a function. So if I were to go into here and I were to, let's say, I'll use my name, so for Han, so that's the name of this esoteric function, and you just assign it maybe like so. No open brackets, that's it. And now if I were to put for Han instead with the bracket, because for Han has replaced the maybe keyword, you can still use maybe if you want to. And if I were to run that now, create get, we get 0. If I click set get, we get 9. So that's it. There's nothing more to it for esoteric functions. Another short video, but again, just a really cool concept, but just really short and simple. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.